Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College with your weekly look at the markets. We're going to take a look at the US dollar first, then we're going to dive into the stock markets. US dollar Swiss franc we're looking at here on a daily time frame. Now, we found a top here on the dollar Swissy with a two-wave short. 1, 2, markets dropped dramatically from that area. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a big correction. And then what we're seeing here, we then got this shift from this rounded bottom downtrend because we had a 1, 2, 3 higher lows on the storyteller with the yellow line kicking in. Dollar then shifted higher, and then we pulled back. Today we got the trend predictor, which means today an up day, and we're seeing a nice green, light green candlestick being an up day today. So you can see these top-in patterns, well, I was going to say especially in FX, but in any market, when you're seeing these divergences on our indicator here, then it's a good time to either, if you're long, ramp those stops higher or get out of the position, or if you're a bit more aggressive on your trading, look for a shorting opportunity. Because especially in these FX markets, you do get those big reversals after those divergence plays. So a nice dollar move here. And on the opposite side of that, we got obviously the euro dollar doing the opposite. You saw that as price kept pushing higher, the storyteller started to drop lower, and then we got this big move down. So I'm expecting more downside in euro dollar for the time being, more upside in the US dollar. So that could be a play that you may want to take going forward and keeping your eye on those markets. But at the moment, we're nice red to the downside. Momentum has shifted and pushed down. Right, stock markets, because I've had loads of people asking from our membership where we are in stocks. I'm going to look at the German DAX to start with. And for me, I think everything is extended in stocks. I've been saying this for the last couple of months. When you're looking at a monthly candlestick, it sometimes takes a long time to play out. Several months indeed. And what I would say is that we are at a key area here for stocks. Now, we didn't close below that trend line from one reference point here. We didn't close, which is significant on the DAX. We did push through that and broke that range. Now, this push down 1, up for 2, down for 3, 1565. Now, if we start to accelerate today, we're going to get down to that 1565. The only thing that's going to rule that out is if we break above the 76.4% Fibonacci and start to push into a green, light green pro trading system, then we're going to make new highs, and then it's targets way up here. But Tuesday today, what is it, the 22nd, I think? 22nd. Then I think, there is a great opportunity we can then start to see it and a further downside correction. So check tonight, guys, Tuesday evening, when it closes, the US market closes, see where we are, because if we get a big down day today again, or even a down day that's significant, like down 100 points on the DAX, then I think we could see more downside Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and possibly for the rest of this month. And if you look at the Dow Jones, we've got some trend predictors in here as well. Double trend predictor, which means down day today, and it's called that very nicely as well. So we're in this area where we could certainly push lower, and let's see if those buyers step in. Let me just show you a trend line that I've got here on the Dow, and you can see that we actually closed below that trend line, and now we're pushing back up. Yesterday, big up day on Monday, which is normal because several big down days towards the middle of last week into the end of last week, gap down on the Sunday night open on the European session, and then kickback rally. Completely normal, guys. You get a big down day on Friday. The market will gap down, it will fill the gap, and then more than likely rally back up there. Okay, so trend predictor, double red arrow, bringing it down today. Let's see how far we close down, because I think that significant close through that trend line and red pro trading system here all combining could give us further downside in the stock market. I don't think it's a time to be brave. I don't think it's a time to be putting lots of long trades on in equities. I think it's a great time, and I know you want to trade, we all want to trade. It's a great time to just go into a little bit of cash, just see where we are, because we have made a lower high here, and just give it a few days, because we could see further downside selling with all the reds we've got going on here and the patterns that I've been talking about. All right, just be careful and keep your eye on that dollar. Speak to you soon. Have a great rest of the week. Please make sure you give us the thumbs up if you like the videos. I'll certainly give me some more suggestions. I'll do some more analysis on any markets of your choice. Let me know, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.